A woman has confidence. A man has confidence. A teacher has confidence. No matter how you grow up, no matter how you grow. Leadership, influence, and confidence. That's the only thing you have to know. Whether it's a woman, a man, or a teacher, no matter how it is, no matter where you are, whether you're in the bank, the school, or the office, anywhere you are, no matter how you're confident in your brain. The brain helps you to think well and succeed. Succeedment, and subsequent. Succeed is how you think. Succeed is confidence. It's leadership. It's influence. No matter how you are, no matter where you are.
Thank you.
It's talk.